Finance, credit card interest. One way that credit card companies calculate finance charges on credit cards is the unpaid balance method. This means that the company charges you interest on the balance that remains from the previous month. If you want to avoid having to pay interest, pay the full amount you owe every month. Example 28. Suppose you had an unpaid balance of $1,566.85 at the beginning of January. You made a payment of $250 during the month. So with credit cards, that means that our balance will go down by that amount. But then you make additional purchases of $361.50. So again, since it's a credit card, that will go up. That'll make your balance go up. The interest on the unpaid balance is 1.9% per month. So when they ask us to find the amount of interest owed on the unpaid balance, what we were doing here is actually finding the unpaid balance. So again, this was what you had the previous month. You made a payment, but you also made some other purchases. So when I combine those with the appropriate signage, I get $1,678.35. Now that is not the amount of interest owed. We need to calculate the amount of interest owed by multiplying this amount right here by our interest rate for that month. And I get $31.89. So the balance at the beginning of February is going to be your previous balance, after your payment and purchases, plus the interest rate. Plus the amount of interest that we calculated in Part A. To get us a total $1,710.24.